Hi kids, welcome back to Moony. Today we're gonna build a Lego set. I love Legos and I love building. Look, we're gonna make some blue creatures. I'm so excited. Should we get into it?
Yes!
I can't hear you. Should we get into it?
Yes!
Awesome! Let's do it! All right, this set comes with an instruction book and, of course, Legos. I think I want to build the whale first. What do you think?
Yes!
Yeah? We should do it? Awesome! Step 1 says we need this piece right here. Can you help me find that piece? Awesome! Thank you so much! Next, we need this one and 2 of these. 1, 2, and this one's right here. All right, let's look at step number 3. We need 2 more of these pieces. 1, 2. Now we need 1 of these and 1 of these. Do you think you can help me find those pieces?
Yes!
Thank you!
Wow!
Next, I need another 1 of these and another 1 of these. Is this one of the pieces?
Yes!
It is?
Yes!
Awesome! Look, I found this one too. Now we need 2 of these pieces. This must be it. What do you think?
Yes!
Awesome, me too. Step 7 calls for another 2-piece Lego. Step 8 calls for 2 of these.
Wow!
It's really starting to come together. Oh, I love it. Let's finish it off. Now we just need to add his eyes, and then he's done. 1, 2. Look, he's all finished. Isn't he so cute? Do you know what type of whale this is? That's right. This is a blue whale. Let's name him Bobby. Bobby the blue whale. I had so much fun with you today. Thank you for all of your help. I wouldn't have been able to do it without you. Oh, and don't forget, wave goodnight to the moon for me.